Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and we are here with another manicure. Today we are doing one for Creative Nails collaboration, and it is for cute animals. I myself am doing owls. I picked a couple off of this sheet along with the Home Sweet Home and some feathers and owls off of here. Tammy gave me these from Tammy's Manis. Thank you, Tammy. I think these are really super cute. And I'm using 2 branches from She Modern. Thank you, She Modern, for having such great products. So, oh shoot. We got a mishap. Let me pause and fix this, and I will be right back. I think I got everything fixed now. I've got my Ice Cube stamper from Maniology. Get a lint-free something, and let me see, where am I going? And, whoops, jeez, oh, Pete's Louise. Having definite mishaps today. Place on the nail where you would want it, because once, I should back up. I have on here She Modern's glue gel. Where'd it go? This helps the decal stick to the nail instead of just winging it like a lot of people do. This will totally stick to the nail. Make sure you place it where you want it first, because once you place it, there is no fixing it. It is glue. You can use the slip solution for, not the slip solution. The, what is it called? The stencil gel. Stencil glue gel. It's not even a glue. Having a brain fart what it's called. Let's move on until I can remember what it's called. We are going to place our owl on the branches. There we go. Uno. And dos. There we go. I'm still going to go over it with my silicone tool. So far I think that looks really super cute. Next, we are going to go in with the Home Sweet Home. Place this on the thumbnail. I'm going to go in with... Oh, I put it in the wrong place. Oh well, that was supposed to go on the middle finger. We'll just put the bird cage on the middle finger. That's alright. We'll just switch it up a little bit. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. And all giveaways. There is going to be in July a designer giveaway coming up. There we go. How does this look so far? I think it's still pretty cute. Got one nail left to do. Putting some a little owl face on here. I thought it was just so cute. There we go. That is all with our water decals, and I think that turned out really super cute. I am going to top coat with iGel Beauty's No Climb Top Coat. Our nail color today is by iGel Beauty. It is DD110 Mellow Yellow. I'm sure you can still buy the duos on sale for 60% off on iGel Beauty, so rush right over, and everything was 60% off, including nail stickers. I think that is a great find. I know they're bringing it to an end because they said pandemic's coming to an end. And I guess they feel people can pay full price. So it's up to you. Do you want to order now and get 60% off, or wait and pay full price? I like 60% off myself. So we're going to top coat now, and I have a little butterfly that I'm going to add. I think I'm going to put it on the pinky finger. We're going to top coat each nail. And place the butterfly. And I'm going to pop this in the lamp. Give it a cure. Go in top coating the rest of my nails. Hope you're all having a great day so far. I know here in Michigan the heat has finally subsided, but they said it's coming back with a vengeance, I guess you could say, and we'll be back in the 90-degree temperatures. I'm not looking forward to that. 90 degrees is just way too hot with humidity. And in Michigan, we get a lot of humidity. I mean, today it's 77, but humidity's like almost up to 70%. So it makes it, you know, things a little bit hotter. Just a little bit hotter. Place our gems. Alrighty. Find us a few more little ones. There's our butterfly. Isn't that super cute? I think that just played right into everything. I'm going to add a few more little gems here and there. Not on that nail though. Let me see this one. Sorry if I'm out of frame there. Sorry. Trying to place our little baby gems and uno más. Whoops. There we go. See if we can get us a couple more out here. Flip the babies over, get them right side up. I think the gems just, the bling, whatever you want to call it, just really adds to the manicure. I think it makes it look a lot better. There we go with that side. That doesn't want to release. 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 There we go. We need a couple more now, just to finish this manicure up. Get them on there one way or another. Uno más. There we go. Whoops. Alrighty. I'm going to pause, dig me out some more baby gems, and I will be right back. Alrighty, we are back, and I have found all said gems. I placed them on the nail. I'm going to pop this in the lamp, give it a full cure for 60 seconds. Okay, we are back and fresh out of the lamp. I think this turned out really super cute. Down in the comments, the first comment pinned will be the playlist for everybody who took part and made a video. Check out all pictures on Instagram. On Instagram, I am just.nailedit, so please check me out there and follow me. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And we will see you next time. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.